Just boom. Dad, that thing was in our yard.
Not going in our yard, Russ. It's going in our living room.
Stabilizers. Doing what I can, sir. Doing what I can.
you know that I love you? In a color Vita, baby. Don't you know that I'll always be true? Oh, won't you come with me and take my hand? Oh, won't you come with me and walk this line? Please take my hand. Let me tell you, yeah, I gotta be the honey. Don't you know that I love you? Yeah, I gotta be the baby. Don't you know that I'm always the truth? Oh, won't you come with me and take my hand? Oh, won't you come with me and we'll walk this line? Please take my
President Roosevelt said, "This is America. This is Kate Smith." The song she sang that day applies to all of us even more now than it did then. It's a song for special occasions. I think having Kate Smith with us makes tonight very, very special. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless America.
Amen, brother.